Hi children, welcome back to our English class. Children, can you tell me what is the season now? It's rainy season. Do you like to observe rain? Yes. Then today we are going to learn about raindrops. It's a poem. It's written by Anne Hawkshaw. Who is written this poem? Anne Hawkshaw. So you all like to observe rains, and can you tell me when it is falling from the sky, what is the shape of that raindrop? It's little lengthy, isn't it? Here it is a small poem about little raindrops that Anne Hawkshaw has observed. Okay? So take the page number 41, Little Raindrops. I will explain to you in a line by line. Okay? Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? So here a little child you can see in the picture. Isn't it? Yes. That child is asking the question, oh little raindrops, where do you come from? Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? So this child is asking the question to whom? To the raindrop. What? Where do you come from, you little raindrops? Pitter patter down the window pane. How you are coming? When you are falling on the window pane, what is the sound I can hear? Pitter patter. When it is falling on the window pane. You know window pane now? So window is having two panes to open, isn't it? So that is window pane. So when the raindrops is falling on the window pane, what is the sound? Pitter patter. They won't let me walk, they won't let me play. These little raindrops, what is the disturbance? These little raindrops never make me to walk on the ground and never make me to play and won't let me go out of doors all day. Full day I have to be inside the home. I can't go outside for play. Full day you will make me to sit inside the house. Tell me little raindrops, is that the way you play? So is it the way you are playing? That means making me to sit inside. That is your play. Pitter patter all the rainy day. Full day I can hear pitter patter, full time rainy day. Understand? Did you understand? All the rainy time I can hear only pitter patter, and I can't even go to play or walk, or even I cannot go outside of the door also, because raindrop is playing. How? To sit me inside. I have to sit always inside the house, and the pitter patter raindrop is playing outside. Did you understand? Did you like the poem? So we can sing together. Okay? Keep your finger under each line. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter down the window pane. They won't let me walk, they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors all day. Tell me little raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter patter all the rainy day. Have we seen? Shall we sing together? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, step. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter down the window pane. They won't let me walk, they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors all day. Tell me, little raindrops, is that way you play? Pitter patter all the rainy day. Did you like? So sing and practice it and learn 8 lines of this poem. Okay, children, now take the page number 42, exercise A. Our first exercise is fill in the blanks. The raindrops make a dash sound. What is the sound of a raindrop? Yes, pitter patter. So write here pitter, P-I-T-T-E-R, pitter patter, P-A-T-T-E-R, patter. Next one, the raindrops falls on the dash. When the child look, where did she see that raindrops? On the window pane. So write here window pane, W-I-N-D-O-W-P-A-N-E, pane, window pane. Next, the rain does not let the child. What happened to the child? Child have to be inside the home always, isn't it? And he cannot even go for walk and the rain does not let the child to play. So write here play. Okay, is it clear to you? Now look at the next exercise. Pitter patter is a sound word. Underline the sound words in these sentences. Pitter patter is the sound of raindrops, isn't it? In the same way, there are many sounds in the world. So for some sentences are given here, you have to find out the sounds of from these sentences. Okay. The bird tweeted on the tree. So here tweeted is the sound of a bird. In the next one, thunder rumbled in the sky. So what is the sound of thunder? Rumbled. Okay, underline it. Next one, my books fell with a loud thump. How? What is the sound of that books when it fell? What is the sound of that book? Thump. Okay, underline the word thump. Mihir popped the balloon with a pin. When Mihir touched with a pin, what happened? The balloon popped. So underline the word popped. Water gushed down the streets after the rain. What is the sound of water? Gushed. So underline the word gushed. Jenny jumped into the pool with a splash. When Jenny jumped into the pool, what sound he heard? What was the sound that he heard? Splash. Okay, is it clear to you? Then exercise C you can do yourself. Okay, tick the things you would like to do on the rainy day. Play outdoors, go for a picnic, draw and paint, dance in the rain, go for a walk, float paper boats. So whatever you like, you can tick there. Okay. Okay, I hope you understood the poem and exercises. So learn very well and prepare for the exam. Okay. Thank you.